Hi, hello everyone. I wish you very good morning to everyone. Hope you all guys doing well. Beyond going to the topic, let me introduce myself. Myself, Trisha PV. I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. And today's subject is data mining and data warehouse. In data mining and data warehouse, our topic is multi-tier architecture. Multi-tier architecture means in three-tier data warehouse architecture, data warehouse adopt a three-tier architecture. These are three tiers or bottom tier, middle tier, top tier. There are three types in three-tier data warehouse. Those are middle, bottom, top. Beyond going to the topic, let me see three-tier data house architecture diagram. In a top-tier front-end tools means query or report, analysis, data mining. These three outputs are nothing but OLAP server in both sides. Those are nothing but middle tier. Monitoring, administration, metadata, repository, data warehouse, data marks. This goes to bottom tier data warehouse server. In these extract, clean, transfer, load, refresh from operational database and external sources. Three-tier data warehouse architecture consists nothing but these three: OLAP server middle tier, top tier front end tools, bottom tier data warehouse server. Coming to the data sources. Today we are going to talk about the data sources. Means what is data source, like that. A data source may be the initial location where data is born or where physical information is first digitalized. However, even the most refined data may serve as a source as long as another process accesses and utilizes it. Considerately, a data source may be a database, a flat file, live measurements from physical devices, scrapped web data, or any of the myriad static and streaming data services which around across the internet. Focusing on how the term is used in the familiar database management content will help to clarify what kinds of data sources exist, how they work, and when they are useful. Means focusing on how the term is used in a database content, means how the database content help the kind of sources, means how the data sources exists or how the data sources they work, means working of data sources, and when they are finished or when they are useful, means in many types, means in which type these databases and data sources are useful. We are going to talk about it. And coming to the bottom tier, a data warehouse is a type of data management system. Means in data warehouse it consists of data management system. Means data management system it consists, and data management system is designed to enable and support business intelligence. Means it helps to enable us the business intelligence, and it supports in business intelligence, means BI. Business intelligence in short term it is being defined as BI. BI is nothing but business intelligence activities. Means these are used to only to support the business intelligence and to enable it. Means especially analytics. Data warehouse are solely intended to perform queries. Means data warehouse is nothing but, means these are used to perform the queries and analysis. Queries is nothing but these are queries and analysis, and often contain large amount of historical data. Means warehouse contains more data, means large collection of data, and before data also be stored in this warehouse means large amount, means more amount of data, means large collection of data, means before data which we have been stored, those are all datas will be stored, means those amount of historical data. The whole process of collecting, storing, organizing and analyzing data using data warehouse system is called data warehouse. Data warehouse means what? Data warehouse is nothing but means collecting the data, means collecting huge amount of data from one system to the another system, means storing huge amount of data, means storing the data, means some amount of data is stored in some system like that. Organizing means storing data or transforming data from one system to another system, checking whether the data is working or not, like that. The organizing is going, and analyzing means whether the data is stored in particular form or perfect form, like that. Using data warehouse system is called nothing but data warehouse. Means data warehouse is nothing but the whole process, means collecting the data, collection of data, storing the data, organizing and analyzing the data, and nothing but data mining. On the other hand is the process of making use of collecting data for analysis and statics. For the statics and analysis, it is the process. In other hand means data mining. Data mining is the other process. In analysis and statics, it is used for the process of making the collected data, means making the collected data means the data which is collected from one system to another or one memory to another memory, means which the collected data for analysis and statics. This data is being collected in the process, on other hand in data mining. This is nothing but the bottom tier. Now we are going to talk about the middle tier, means second tier. It can in the internet, the middle tier, the object database application can handle the internet traffic, means the object database applications. In the middle tier there is no object based base application. The object based database application can handle internet traffic, means the traffic between the internet can be handled by the middle tier at some specified interval. Data could be returned from the object database back to the existing, means data can be also returned in the object database, means it can be back existing to the existing sources. The object database application can handle the internet traffic at some specified interval. Data could be returned from the object database back to the existing sources, means web app server to application, means application. In application there is cache. From application to server, from server to object database, means from object database to the server, means in between the application and the server it goes to the mapping and files, and from server mapping server database. Existing sources, the existing sources do not receive the internet traffic also, means in middle tier it can handle the traffic, internet traffic. In existing sources means it doesn't receive the traffic, internet traffic, means there is no internet traffic in existing sources, but in middle tier it can handle the internet traffic. But in existing sources, the existing sources do not receive the internet traffic also. Only the appreciate data is exposed to the internet, means only the exposed data, which the data is being shown and which the data is being exposed, only that particular data is being in the internet, means approximate data is only exposed in the internet. And coming to the middle tier, now we are going to talk about the middle tier, means we are going to discuss about it, means what is middle tier, how can it be used, what is about it. Let's go. Middle tier. The middle tier architecture allows the existing database to be the database record, means the middle tier architecture means middle tier architecture allows the existing database means the database which is going to be existing, that particular database will be allowed in middle tier architecture. The middle tier architecture is nothing but the database of the record means uh, the record which is in the database means database of record is nothing but the middle tier architecture which allows the existing data. At the same time, it also protects the existing database from direct internet traffic means it also protects, it allows the existing database, and it also protects means gives protection and supports the existing database from direct internet traffic. It supports the database from the direct internet traffic, and it provides high performance engine to interact with the internet traffic means it gives high performance to the engine to interact with the internet traffic. It consists of internet traffic and it allows the database to be, and it also protects the database, and it provides a high performance engines means it provides the engine in high level means high performance means more power. Also see object relational mapping for this architecture means object relational mapping we have discussed in the three tier architecture diagram at first means let's go to the diagram. This is nothing but the diagram mapping means see here in middle tier we have discussed about the mapping. This may mapping to file, mapping to server, this contains of it means in middle tier it also object relational it also see object relational mapping. Object relational mapping also supports by the middle tier. It consists of internet traffic. For how to use object based database with Java application services, see enterprise architecture using Java application servers means in this particular middle tier architecture Java application servers can also be enterprise. Java application services use database object database. These are nothing but middle tier architecture means how it's uses, how it is useful, and uh, how it provides, and this is nothing but the middle tier. Now we are going to talk about the top tier means what is top tier. This is nothing but the diagram. Top tier containing data mining, reporting tool, analytical tool means it is been shown that nothing but the data mining and reporting tool and analytical tool means middle tier is nothing but the OLAP server. Bottom tier is nothing but ETL. ETL consists of data source, data warehouse goes to OLP server, whereas database goes to data mart. Also in OLP server it goes to the reporting tool, data mining, analytical tools. Now let's discuss about top tier. The top tier is a front-ended layer, that is the user interface that allows the user to connect with database system. The top tier is nothing but top tier, it is the topmost layer in the three tier architecture means it is the first tier means front end layer means it is in the front, and end layer, it is a front end layer, that is the user interface that allows the user to connect with the database system. It is the top front end layer which allows to connect with database system. It allows to connect the database system with it. The top tier that allows this user interface is usually tool or an API call. It is usually a tool. It can be called as tool means reporting tool or API call, which is used to fetch the required data for reporting analysis. Means it is used to fetch the required data, means the data which is required. In the top tier, means top tier provides the data which is required, and it helps and fetch the data which is required for reporting. Means for the reporting the tool or data mining and analytical analysis tools, the required data means which the data which we want, those data will be given for the reporting analysis and the data mining process. It helps to fetch the data in the analysis, data mining process or purposes or data for reporting. This is nothing but the top tier. Thank you guys for listening my explanation with lots of patience. Hope you all got the concept which I been explained. For more further videos, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.